Well, sorry about that. I'll see if I can find a way to edit that part on, but somebody called me there. Apparently that's what the phone does, is it cuts whoever off. I suppose it's not a bad thing, it's a telephone first and foremost, not a web camera. But anyway, this is pretty much what it is. I mean, to be fair, it's just a fair point, which probably I don't think it's set back to front there, but very nice workmanship. I think that'll fit my dovetail, probably about, oh, ooh, well, I hope it doesn't come out that far. Oh dear. Did I do that on live camera? Oops, I'll put that back together, don't worry. Oh dear. Don't think I can send it back to Rother Valley now. All right. I think it should be okay. Oh, okay, no, fair enough, fair enough. What's happened is I've just, yeah, I've done that a couple of times with the Skywatcher mount. So I've overdone it, and the handles, the bolts are dropped off. But there we go. So it sweetens it up now. Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to try that tonight, or whenever it's clear. The only real thing I'm slightly dubious about is that counterweight going to be too heavy? I could surprise myself. Not a physicist either, but I don't know whether it's going to make any difference if that's a bit further down or a bit further up that way. But then again, my defence is I've got nothing higher than a GCSE in physics and my degrees in chemistry. So, but I know how to experiment, so I might try that. But unless I can hang something else off of there, do you think? What could I hang off of there to help balance that out if that doesn't work? It's a dirty, great big Allen screw that goes through it, though, by the look of it. So yeah, I suppose I'll give it a go, suck it and see, right, as they say. And hopefully this works. The idea is I shall have that on the other end of my OTA. So rather than keep pushing that big tube up and down to get balance, all I've got to do now is just slightly move that up and down slightly. Yeah. And then that should get better balance for me, in theory. And hopefully that will not interfere with the overall mount, sort of thing. We'll have to see, won't we? But I'll let you know how it goes, guys. I mean, so that's the brief unpacking and the brief sort of review of it. As I say, the build quality is lovely. I mean, it cost £69 from Rother Valley. The build quality is very nice indeed. I mean, there's no doubt in that. And it's screwed on as well. So I mean, should be easy to prevent that from flying around too much. And obviously that screws in place to make that quite tight. And the idea is when you put your telescope way up, you've got a fair bit more of your Losmond bar to dovetail to slide that on. So that's the idea of it. But the only thing I'm a bit dubious about is whether that's just a bit heavy. But it's been designed for the kind of equipment I'm using. So I suppose time will tell. Yeah. I suppose the whole idea really with this was I didn't have to faff around too much with the balancing up and down. I don't really want to be pushing it a bit further down the way or up the way. So this works. We'll have to see, guys. We'll have to see. Mr. Skeptical. I've been looking forward to this piece of kit arriving for some time. Sad, I know. But we shall see what this does. Yeah, so stay tuned and we'll see what we come up with. As always, thanks for watching.